Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how I make barbecue baked beans. In today's recipe, I'll be using 28-ounce can of baked beans, half a pound of ground beef, 1 tablespoon EPIS, half a cup of onion, bell peppers, and green onions that's been diced, a quarter cup of brown sugar, half a cup of barbecue sauce, juice of 1/4 of a lime, 2 tablespoons yellow mustard, 1/4 packet chicken bouillon powder. For a video on how I make my Haitian EPIS, click the link in the description box. Add the ground beef to a heated pan and allow it to brown. While browning the ground beef, break it up into smaller pieces. Once the ground beef is completely brown, drain the excess fat. Since I was using a ground beef that's 85% lean and 15% fat, there wasn't enough fat for me to drain. Add the EPIS. In the description box below, you'll find a recipe video on how I make my Haitian EPIS, which is the base to many Haitian dishes. Add the bell pepper, onion, and green onion mixture and allow to cook. Add the chicken bouillon powder. Add the can of baked beans of your choice. To me, since I'm adding other ingredients to jazz the baked beans up, the brand doesn't matter. Add the 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Add barbecue sauce of your choice. Stir and allow to cook for a few minutes. Add the juice of the lime. Allow to cook for a few more minutes before adding the yellow mustard. Mix in the yellow mustard, turn the heat off, and now you're ready to add to the baking dish. After adding the baked beans to a baking dish, go ahead and cover with aluminum foil. Place in an oven that has been preheated for 375 degrees and allowed to bake for 30 to 40 minutes. If you want a thicker baked bean, you can leave it in a little longer. If you want it to be more looser, liquidy, take it out sooner. Now there you have it, the way I make my barbecue baked beans. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, tasteofk_. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.